Welcome to part 2 of home brewing without the faff. This is the point where the first stage is now complete, and we'll check that in a minute. And for me, I just filter it off into a barrel. I don't use hydrometers. I just remove the lid and have a look at the liquid, make sure there's no activity going on, that the yeast is still producing alcohol. There should be very little movement within this liquid itself. So take the lid off and we'll have a look. This is what the wort looks like after a week in first stage. Now I'm just checking there is no bubbles coming to the surface. That's telling me that the process of actual brewing is now complete, and it'd be good for the barrel. I use a 5-gallon pressure barrel. This is the Young's type pressure barrel, and it has a safety valve in the cap which releases any pressure above 15 psi. Pretty good barrels at the basic. I've never had many issues with them. One or two have split round the top here, but you know, they're good for the money. The other thing you need is a siphon tube. You can use any bit of tube really, but I use this one. It has this device on the end. That means I can sit it in the bottom of the wort and not collect any of the crap and get as much liquid out of it as I can. Now ready to start siphoning. Just stick that in there, give it a little suck, and drop the other end into the barrel. And wait. The next thing we have to do is to add some priming sugar to this. It's ordinary household sugar. This particular brew wants 3 ounces. And that is added to assist with the carbonation of the beer. There are particles of yeast that will enter into here that will reactivate with this sugar and cause carbonation. And that's it really. I don't put any finings in it. I've got 3 ounces here. I pour that in. Cap on, nice and tight, and give it a shake. That's all you need. Check for leaks around the barrel, around the tap. No, cap's okay. Looks all good to me. That's it. Now, in the barrel, it will take 2, maybe even 3 weeks to totally clear and be ready for drinking. But it's worth the wait. Once the beer is ready for drinking, I bring it down here into my shed, and this is one that has been in the barrel for about 3 weeks. You can see I've been sampling that one. It's very nice. I'm going to pour a pint out now so you get some idea of what it's like. Time to have a sample. Cheers. Wonderful stuff. And you made this yourself, you know. Simple, home brewing without the faff. Give it a go. 40 points per barrel. Let's have a crack at this. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.